Here we want to very quickly examine the MT4 Trading Platform. The MT4 Trading Platform, I'll be using MT4 for short, is the gateway every trader has to the over-the-counter market. As you may be aware already, that the forex market has no physical location, and every trader who would trade it should understand that the access you have to the market is through your personal computer or mobile device that is connected to the internet. And on that your device, you will be needing a tool which grants you access to the market, and this tool is what the broker or the dealer provides you with. There are different types of trading platforms. That is, the trading platform is what gives the trader access to the interbank market, because physical presence is not required. There are different types, as I said, of the trading platform. You have the VT trader, you have Java applet trading platforms, you have different types, but of more concern and importance to us in this course, the Forex Freedom course, is the MT4 MT4 for short. And because of our preferred broker, we'll be using the InstaTrader. The InstaTrader is a MT4 trading platform provided by InstaForex, the broker of the year 2009 to 2011. Is the broker we prefer, and we recommend you use the InstaTrader. Join InstaForex and use the InstaTrader to become a Forex winner. Join InstaForex. Just log on quickly to www.instafxprofits.in. I'm going to write it here very quickly. I invite you to www.instafxprofits.in. And if you do, we have a very special gift for you. Not only would we carry you through to make lasting profits trading with us, you will also have some special gifts to go with. Alright, having said that, I take you back to the MT4 Trading Platform. We want to go over the very features, important features, critical features that you will need to use the trading platform, the features that you need to know how to handle, how to use. I'll begin with the file menu on the MT4. On the file menu, you find new. If you want to bring in a new chart, if you want to open your chart offline, if there's a deleted chart, or if there are deleted charts, you can open them from here. All these charts have been deleted, and you can restore them by going to open deleted. Profile, here you find the profile you could choose to bring in here. Anyone you want, you check it. Anyone you don't want, you uncheck it. For example, you have also, if you want to close the platform, you get here. You want to save a chart, you want to save it as picture. You want to open an account. Opening account under the platform here is opening a demo account, a practice account. So you can do that from here. Just click on this place, complete the form. My name is there. Choose your country. If you are in Nigeria, you select Nigeria, and then until Nigeria appears, then you move on. Put in your state, put in your address. This is our office address, office location at Block B8, Suite 1, Olubede, GSM Market. Of course, you put your phone number, and this can put our phone number, supports at nairaforgo.net. Standard account, we choose 1 to 500 leverage, and of course I agree, and we could start with $250 and click on next, and the account is open. Alright, now you will have to know to use this. As I said earlier, if you want to log in to your account, perhaps your live account or any of your accounts, you can enter the account number here, put this password sent to you by SMS and email, then select the server location. The server location is Hong Kong, is Singapore. You know, when you're opening your live account, I always recommend choosing Hong Kong, Singapore, because these two, I'm sure, will give you. From here, you choose your server location, and I recommend choosing Hong Kong or Singapore, because Hong Kong or Singapore will offer you a 4-digit price, 1.3392, unlike what you have in many. If you choose USA, you may be having 1.33921 or something. Right, so I always recommend using Hong Kong server or Singapore server. Okay, and then you click to login. That's for the login. Of course, if you want to print what you have there, well, right. Now the view menu, here you choose language, toolbars. From here you can bring out all of these. Standard bar is this, standard toolbar, charts toolbar, line studies, periodicity. If I click on this now, this periods, time frames, here we go. This is the time frame, where you choose the time frame you want to use. If I click on it, it will go now. If I go back there and click on it again, toolbar, periodicity, it comes back. If I click on line studies, this will go. If I go back and, for instance, line studies, that will go. If I click on it, it comes back. So this is where you use it. Now on the tools bar here, you will still have, this is the charts. Here's the charts. Click view charts. Then this is the charts. If I click on it, it comes back. Right. So from here I can select my indicators. This is the indicators menu on the charts tools bar. Charts tools bar, you have the indicators, right? And then this is for chart shift. Of course, as it is now, I could click on this to enlarge this. Alright, so I could, this is file chart shift. Scroll when your connection is on and you are trying to move charts. For instance, if this is active, once price moves, it draws it back. Currently, there's no connection on the platform right now, so it's stable. And then you have the, well, this is for zoom out to make it tiny, zoom in to make it bigger. But you have the period also. This is where you have the time frame as well. Here, this is the shortcut. And then this is for templates. If I want to save this, we'll just do something shortly. And then this is the line studies. This is for cursor. This is the crosshair. I can use the crosshair to measure the fall from here to here. What is it worth? Okay. Now you see one first. One there represents that it's just one period, and in one period in between it, you have 186. That is how many pips has been covered in that 1 minute, and what price is it? Right there is 1.3363, and from where we took it is 1.3549. So from 1.3549 down to 1.3363 or 63. There we had I could pick it up again. Connect from 1.49 to 1.3363. We had 186. Well, this one is within the same, but if you move it here, we have one period has been moved between from that place. Okay, so that's the crosshair. This is the vertical line. How can you separate periods? This is separating 1 hour period from under 1 hour period. So that's the vertical line. You use it to separate periods. Then you have the horizontal line for separating the up from down. It divides the chart into two halves of up and down. Of course, this is the trend line. Okay, now if I want this to be without shadow, once you plot trend lines will help you to project into the future. But let's go to trend line properties. Okay, I can make it bold here, and if I don't want this ray, that means if I don't want this, I can uncheck this ray, then I can see it. But if I want it back, I'll just go back way. Okay. Alright, so that's that. Now this is equidistant channel. If I want to plot equidistant channels, I could say, okay, I want to create a channel between here, let's say from here. Okay. If that's what I want. If I don't want that, I can move it. Let's say move it from here. Okay. So if you want to create a different channel, this is what the Fibonacci tool. If I pick from here to the north here, I have the Fibonacci plotted. Okay, and this is text. I want to label here and say Insta FX profits IN. Make this, choose a bright color white. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so anything you can do, there are lots of things you can do here. If I want to bring arrows, signs, right price, left price, all of this you can bring them here. If I want to even use from, let's go to insert shape, I can bring in eclipse here. If there's an important price level for me, I can just put it there and then just double click it and then expand, and then it becomes alright. So you can do a lot with, there's a lot you can do, but then it's when you get into a proper analysis that you can begin to use some of these tools. But then the main purpose of this section is to just show you the MT4 and the features. Now here you have the market watch. This is where you watch price movements. These are the symbols. These are the bid price and the ask price. You'll be learning about bid, ask, and some other basic terms very soon. So this is where you watch the price. This is from the navigator. From here you check accounts. These are the two accounts that are here. Indicators. You have the expert advisors. You have custom indicators, right? Scripts. Okay. All right. So these are some of the things you need to know. Then, of course, you have the charts types. There are about 3 basic types of charts on the MT4 Trading Platform. You have the line charts, you have the bar charts, and of course, preferred candlestick charts. Okay. All right, then you have here you can bring in a new chart from here. Select the chart you want to bring in. What do you want to bring in? For futures energy, this for futures energy, crude oil, gasoline, all of that. You get them under here. Future agro products, you get them from there. Future metals, gold, silver, aluminum, platinum, and all of that. You get them here. Future goods, you get them from here. So all of these you have them from here. Of course, you open down now new order. If you want to place an order, you need but it's inactive now because we are not connected, we are offline, so that's why it's not active right now. Once it's active, okay. Alright, so you can see it has connected, it has become active now. If I want to place another, I can pick it from here. Alright, now, okay, so this is for the new order. Configure this and save it. Configure this and save it, and remove this. I double click and click on delete. Press delete on my keyboard. Now press Ctrl G on your keyboard and you will remove all those grid lines. And when you press Ctrl Y, these period separators will go. Ctrl Y, they will go. Ctrl Y, they will return. Another way to do that is by pressing F8 on your keyboard and of course click on Commands. There you can uncheck show period separators and that will go. Go back there again, check period separators, will come back. And the way to get to that properties is by right clicking and selecting properties. Then if I say bring in grid lines, it will bring it back. If I go back there and say show volumes, it will bring in volumes. That's volume. If I go back there and say show object descriptions, it will. So all of these are just ways to manipulate the platform. I'll check this, I'll check this, I'll check this, and I'm okay. Okay, then this is it. Now if I want to configure the colors, I want to change the colors of the candles. For example, I just go to colors. For example, I want the bull candle to be blue. I'll go and select blue. And I want the bear candle to be red. I'll go and select red. I'll select okay, that's it. So anything you want, you can do the video there. Now when I'm through, I can now say go to save. Okay, say save. Can just replace that test. Tell me replace it. Yes, I want to replace it. Okay, now I come back here. I want that exactly that chart there. Yeah, I can bring that same chart to anywhere here. Alright, so this is how to configure it into colors and also save it as a template. Now of course this is your trading terminal. This is the terminal. Here you have the trade. This is a pending order, a selling order that placed on Friday, but it was not triggered. This is for GBP CHF. Here you have the account history, news, alerts, mailbox, experts, journal. Alright, so that's for you. Now if I want to remove this terminal, I could press Ctrl T on my keyboard and it goes. Press Ctrl T, it comes back. Alternatively, I could close it from here and I could bring it back from here and start terminal here. If I want to remove the navigator, I can press Ctrl N, it goes. Ctrl N, it comes back. Or I could close it from here or bring it back from here, navigator. If I want to remove the market watch, I could press Ctrl M and it goes. Ctrl M. No, okay. If I want to remove the market watch window, I could go to view, market watch, Control N. There it goes. Bring it back from here. So we bring it back from here. I'll take it out from here, bring it back. And if I want to bring in data window somewhere here, I just go here, this data window. This data window, what it does is once you point the cursor to any candle, it gives you the summary of that candle, the time, the date, the time, the open price, close, low, high, low, volume, and all of that. You see. So if I don't want it, I can use Control D on my keyboard to remove it. Okay, so that's how to use the terminal for strategy desktop. For full screen, Control F11 rather, full screen. F11, it goes. Alright, so this is how to, this is the MT4 Trading Platform and its features. You can play around with it. Now I will encourage you to go to charts. You can fix in any of these, you find all of these under charts, and then you can also go to tools or history center. Right, you also go back to tools still. You have global variables. Some of these I have not used. MT4 language editor, options, and all of that. Now under options, now let me show you under options. This is where you can make a change. If you want to change your password, the password for your trading platform, you can do that here. Just go to server. Under server here, you have your number that you want to change the password. Just click here. Of course, you want to connect to the net. Current password, you enter it, and then you want to change the password. Then you now enter the new password, confirm it, and then there you go. I didn't enter anything, so that's why I didn't. So I disconnect. All right, so that's about that. You can explore all of the just to learn about the MT4 Trading Platform. And of course, you also go to the help window. I can open a new window from here. I will select the currency pair. I can also cascade these pairs here, 1, 2, 3, 4, just cascade. You see the way to cascade, right? If I go back to cascade, right, then I could decide to tile horizontally. I could tile vertically. You will just change, right? I could remove the arrange icons. That one I hardly use that one. Then of course you could go back to bring back your the way it was. Just click on that one to enlarge it, or if you double click there, it will take it back, or you don't double click again and come back on. So play around with your trading platform and learn all you can with it. And of course, help section, this is where you get help topics for most of the things that you'll be learning, the tools, analytics. This is where graphical objects, line studies, you can learn more about them here. Read up. But then you come to technical indicators. Any indicator you want to learn more about, click on it and then enlarge this and read about it. Average directional movement index indicator, read about it from here. Well, the way I use it is exactly the way it's written here. No addition except the one I have gained from experience using it that I've come to trust it. So that's that. Now any indicator you want to learn about, click on it and fractals and you will learn about it. So, and then of course we'll still be coming back to this place under trading, other types. We'll be learning about them: buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limits, trailing stop. We'll be learning about it. Types of execution, we'll be learning about it. Of course, we come to trade positions. Trade positions, we have the open position, We have the modifying position close, placing of pending orders. Okay, so all of these, you read them up here. Modifying pending orders, deletion of pending orders, all of that you can learn them from there. Of course, auto trading, where you now have your MT4, that's MetaCode Language 4, MetaTrader Editor. Of course, from there you go on to Expert Advisor, otherwise known as robots. How to create Expert Advisors, read it from here. Okay, read. If you are interested in creating Expert Advisor, you can just read up here and you can come up with one Expert Advisor of the system, set up and then launch. The details are there, right? For launching, shut down. All right, then of course, still under that strategy tester setup, you can also get onto expert optimization, set up my results, custom indicators, how to create them. It's there. So if you give yourself to learning these, some of the things that you go about looking forward to buy, you can actually get them from here, do them yourself. Scripts, write script, create a script, set up a script, launch a script, shut down. Then tools, you have tools you can, configuration of startup, history center, export, all of these. Just learn about that under this tools menu of your trading platform. So I encourage you to invest quality time to learn more about the trading platform by going to the help menu and do a word-for-word study of this platform. I can guarantee you that when you do so, you come out working with a good knowledge of this platform, and you will help you also in planning your trades. I hope you've enjoyed this section. If you did, then join us in the next section as we continue in the Forex Freedom course. God bless you.